Hello, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how can you encrypt a document with password in the Microsoft Office. So I'm going to show you the example of using Microsoft Word. So first I'm going to type some word in it, and now go to File. Now go to Info. Then you can see the Protect document here. Click on it. And then now click on Encrypt with password. Yes, click on it. Then now you can have the option to add a password to it. So you can add any password that you want. And I click OK, and then you need to re-enter the password again. Click OK. And then now you can save the document. I'm going to close it. Now open the document again, and you should see this pop-up window. So now I'm going to try with, let's enter a wrong password here. So I'm entering a wrong password. You'll see this error message, and then when you click OK, nothing will work. The document will not be shown. So now I will reopen it, and then now let's type in the correct password. So you can see document is shown, and then everything is working fine as the usual document. So if this video helps you, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to see you next time.